Good morning, everyone. This is Gunjan from Bite and Bench. I have started this journey in baking recently. It's just 6 months old. Can we have those slides, sir? Lokesh, sir. I request everyone to please pin Lokesh sir's screen because without photographs, my presentation will be like really blank. So please pin his screen.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
And just let me know if presentation is visible or not.
So have you shared the screen?
Yes, I've done that. Presentation is on.
Yes, sir, it's visible. Thank you so much. I hope everyone can see this. If not, please pin Lokesh sir's screen.
No, it's visible.
Okay, sir. Lokesh sir, please, second slide. So this is my family, myself, Gunjan Jain, and my husband's name is Mr. Gautam Chhajer. He is my biggest supporter, and he is right now working at Pix Transmissions as manager in R&D department. We both are basically in textiles, and he is as a textile BTech here. And I have two children, Tanay and Tanush. As it is, you can see, it's 9 years and 3 years. And both are my first critics whenever I make something new. Mama, ये अच्छा है, Mama, ये अच्छा नहीं है. So both of them are my first critics, and I really thankful to God क्योंकि बहुत encourage करते हैं दोनों मुझे for trying new recipes and everything new. Birthplace है मेरा जयपुर at my Nani house, and Jaipur is in Rajasthan. My hobbies are binging, obviously. That's why I have named it Bite and Binge. I am a foodie person. I love to binge on food. I love to binge on screen. I can watch whole day the episodes, the movies. I can watch whole day if I get time so. And I also love painting, dancing, creating new recipes is the thing which I have catered since last many years. But professionally, I have got into this only 6 months back. Activities I want to be indulged in are all anti-corona stuff like cultural events, indulge in partying, traveling, shopaholic हूँ मैं. And अभी क्या हो गया है, due to corona, I am not able to indulge myself in these activities. So I have become a social media freak. Next slide, sir. This is about my business. It's Bite and Binge, a hobby which was lasting since 20 years, and now I have taken it in profession. It's just a 6 month old, and it is a home bakery where you can get fully customizable, eggless, hygienic, homemade, preservative free, oven fresh, everything is made from scratch. I don't use premixes. I use my own recipes, and even that's why it is easy to customize anything. Like if anyone says we want kam meetha, we want zyada meetha, we want in this flour, we want in that flour, we want that flavors to be mixed, I make it customizable for everyone. So I'm sorry if you are drooling for these photos, but without photos I was not able to present my business. Next slide, sir. We have all the options. I made all the options like gluten-free, vegan, whole wheat, multigrain, sugar-free options, and you can have my treats. I'm saying me or our because I am the only person which is making this. I don't have any helper or a delivery guy or something because it has been started in Corona. So I have not hired anyone. I handle this is wholly. And you can remember me on your weddings, engagements, anything, kitties, to get-togethers, birthdays, even for celebrating a small, tiny milestone of anything. if your like kid is having the first tooth, or you can celebrate Holi, Diwali, Christmas, anything with our treats. Anything. Next slide, sir. About my career, yeah, basically I am BTech and MTech in fashion technology from NIFT Delhi, and I have previous jobs. I was a designer in denim plant. I have worked as a coordinator in school for 5 years, and I have also developed content for Mexus Education, if you have known this. So these were my career thing and skills. I am a keen learner and I love to learn new stuff, everything. Even on social media, if I get to know this is something new, I really want to learn this. And leadership and coordination, as I have been the coordinator of the team, a large team, I was handling the IT, ERP system of schools, marketing, social media handling, and yeah, next slide. My circle of influence in Nagpur is not much. I have been shifted here just 2.5 years back, and basically I know only my colony and this Himalaya Valley people maximum, and also some of PIC staff, my husband's office staff, and some of my kids' classmates' family. And I am glad to be a part of Sampark. Thankful to whole the team, and especially Reet ma'am, who has called me and उन्होंने बहुत motivate किया कि I join this. So I am really thankful to her too. And one more group is there, Voice of Locals. I am part of that also. Next slide. So basically these are my goals. I want to spread happiness and sweetness with my treats, and I just want to have a big smile on everyone's face whoever eats my treat. अगर कोई एक bite खाता है, he should बहुत अच्छा है, बस ये मेरा पे ऑफ है सबसे ज्यादा. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि कस्टमर्स बढ़े थोड़े, ऑब्वियसली बिजनेस है तो है ही वो तो, एंड कुछ अच्छे टेस्टिमोनियल्स मिलेंगे तो वो बहुत ही आई लव टू हैव देम. एंड एक और टारगेट है, आई हैव सेड कि I have to have 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel in next few months. And these are my social and Instagram, Facebook. These are the links. You can I request everyone here, please go through my pages, go through my links, and please like, follow, and subscribe. Next slide, sir. This is my clientele. Actually, that is not fixed, as in treats and bakes and cakes. We can cater to anyone. There's no limit at all. But yes, each and every person who wishes to celebrate something, who wants to surprise their loved ones, or just to cater their own sweet tooth, you can order me, you can call me, you can contact me. Even I have treats for diabetic people. If they have cravings, I make sugar-free range. And even the gym and fitness freaks, I make guilt-free, gluten-free, and fiber-rich range of bakes. And wheat jaggery bakes have become in last month my best sellers. I have got many orders of those wheat and jaggery because everyone wants to have healthy food, healthy cake, even for celebrations too. And kids, those are my first target because they love the sweets and they give a so cute smile. Thank you. They say thank you auntie, and I just love to cater them. Next slide, sir.
Sorry Gunjan ji, sorry to interrupt you. Your time is up long back.
Sir, बस ये last slide ही है. जी sir, it's done. So this is my memory hook. Even when you can call me, you can WhatsApp me with anything if you want, and it's just eat with a smile. That's it. Thank you so much. और कुछ भी गलती हुई हो तो I'm really sorry. Thank you so much.